Let's talk about the invited status within events. Now, as with any of these statuses, you are free to use them however you like. Don't let us put these in a particular box. However, we will talk about some of the unique properties of invited, which are different to maybe some of the others that you might not know about. Now, the idea of the invited status is pretty simple. If you were to add a bunch of people to your event as invited, or if you were to add them into your event using an event field that adds them as invited, if those students view the RSVP page, instead of it showing the usual information about the event, it's instead going to ask, do you want to attend? Yes, no. If they say yes, it's going to mark them immediately as registered, and if they say no, they're going to be moved from invited to the cancelled status. So a really good way of being able to run invite-style events or interviews, for example, proposing things to people and getting their feedback in real time as to whether or not they accept or decline. Let's illustrate this with a terrible example. We are running Gecko Movie Night on February 1st, 2023, and we want to know if people are going to attend. So what we're going to do is we're going to set a simple workflow up that says if somebody joins the Gecko Movie Night event and their status when they join happens to be invited, then let's immediately send an email to that student's email address using the Gecko Movie Night email template that I just created in seconds. It's not very pretty, but it gets the job done. Free this Tuesday, great. Let's invite you to our movie night. And let's go ahead and hit save. Now I'm going to choose to add a contact just by going to Overview, Actions, Add Contact. We'll add the aptly named Johnny Movie so we can see this come through. Johnny Movie has been added. Oh dear, I did that wrong. Johnny Movie has been added as registered, so that's not going to fire that workflow. Let's change it though back to invited and hope nobody noticed. That should hopefully trigger that workflow. And if we come over here, so if we click this, come watch some movies. Let's view that RSVP page, and when we go there, we can see you've been invited to this event. Do you wish to attend? Yes or no? If we say yes, we're going to be moved from invited back to registered, and if we refresh the page, we will see that status pull through.